It's not right. Anonymous, what advice do you need this morning? I've got the music, the Naked DJ Somizi, we all here. The only person we're waiting for is you. What is it costing you to be with your partner? You're just not understanding, but you need advice. Give us a call, 086,000 2160. The number again, 086,000 2160. Give us a call. Maybe you want to meet up on the 14th of Feb. Sweat it all out with your person. You want to know what I'm talking about? Take a listen to this. Give us a call, Anonymous. We're waiting for you. Somizi just walked into the studio. He's ready to go. The Naked DJ is prepping for you, Anonymous. Give us a call. Today is a day. Love me for me. Jameli, enjoy. It's 22 minutes after 10 o'clock. Metro FM, it's where you want to be. You joining us. It's Ask a Man. Thank you so much for prepping, for being ready. The moment is here. I love it when we start on time. We've got the Naked DJ. Somizi's here as well as Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thanks, and you?
I'm all right, thank you.
Awesome, man. You sound so sweet, man, Anonymous. All right, I'm going to read the house rules, and then we're going to find out what advice you're looking for from the gentleman in studio. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, so respect is the foundation of our conversation. Please maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities, Anonymous. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Sir, do you agree?
100%.
Thank you so much. Anonymous, talk to us. What's going on?
Okay, the problem I'm facing with my relationship is the person that I'm staying with. Okay, we used to stay separately, and then she suggested that we stay together. And then we moved in 2 years ago, but the problem is she's always on her phone. When we are at home, she's
Anonymous?
on her phone.
Anonymous, so you said the problem is she's always on her phone.
On her cell.
On your what?
Chatting or TikTok, I don't know what, but she
Okay,
said
on her
to me she's
cell
doing TikTok and she's watching series.
Mm.
Yes. So, and then we are experiencing a lot of misunderstanding in the relationship. And then I said to her, I think the problem is we don't have time to communicate. You know, there are little things that we can communicate together, talk about it, you know, sometimes resolve it or prevent it from happening because we have talked about them. But we don't have time to talk to each other about things that people who are in love talked about. We go to the bedroom, it's a cell phone. You know? So you feel lonely in the relationship where you don't have anyone to talk to. Sometimes you will phone your friends to talk to if you know you're going to talk to someone about something. Yes.
How long have you been together?
3 years.
3 years. And is there an age gap? Like
yeah, there is.
How much?
10.
10 years. Okay, so let me think. Without giving it away, is she in her 20s, you're in your 30s, or she's in her 30s, you're in your 40s?
I'm in my 40s, in my 30s.
And she's in her 30s? Okay.
And how many TikTok challenges have you done with your partner? Because if she loves TikTok, now you must feature, Angish.
How
many TikTok challenges have you done with her?
I haven't done anything.
Uyabona-ke mara nawe.
Okay. No, the thing is, I don't have a problem with her sometimes on the TikTok, but not the whole day. You know, there was a day when I was counting. I said, you've been on your phone for 8 hours.
Why are you counting? Why aren't you doing things that she does? You know.
But now, where is the time to communicate? We can do that, but we can do that not every day. You know, we can do it some other time, but I'm not saying we need to sit down and talk about serious stuff every day, but talk with your partner, have some jokes, play together. Then we can go back to the TikTok and say, this is what I'm doing on the TikTok. You want to join me? Maybe it's a game or something. So she's going to tell me I'm watching series. Here's the TV. I've got a smart TV. Here's the internet. I've got a Netflix account, whatever. Let's watch it here.
Puti, when you go out for dinners or lunches or dates, is she also on the phone?
Yes, we go to the agreement is on the weekend we don't go out. But if we go out,
Nice.
there'll be a cell phone.
Okay. And
You
then,
know.
how's your sex life?
How so easy?
I
like
like
straight
it.
to sex, no
Let's
foreplay.
go.
Yes.
Damn, so
How's your sex life? You know.
It's not good as well because you know, sometimes even if after it you just go straight to the cell phone. You know, you do your things, no cuddling, no nothing. You know,
Yeah.
and go back to your phone.
Uyayehla.
Yeah, like she.
Gets
When
off.
you do your things. you
Clearly,
go,
she loves
you
to
know,
sit on
whatever.
top
So let me. Oh yeah, she does.
because uhlala yehle yena. Yagibele.
Sometimes kuyayehla.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
Tata wena missionary mission accomplished.
Okay.
Missionary
It takes two
accomplished.
to tango.
It takes two to tango. That's true. And
Okay, besides any of those things, what do you guys do to laugh? Like, what do you do to, you laugh, and what other things that you guys do together besides sex?
Okay. The other thing I said to her, there's something I learned from my previous relationship. It's I've opened a gap. Yeah? So now I'm starting this relationship. I want to do something I've never did before. I want to make sure that there's no gap. You know, the gap like I'm going to go to the mall, I'm going to go somewhere, you stay at home. So wherever I go, I want to be with you if possible, if you are not at work.
Yeah.
or
You see,
I mean,
like-
to create a distance. You don't want to create
Yeah,
a
constantly the
distance.
distance because in my previous relationship, and because of that, you know, I was working in another province, the person was in the other province. I think that's a problem. You know, that's what that's what I like to do. You know, like we go for, even when we go to the plaza to my friends, we just go together, man. We go and buy cold drink at 1.25.
And then when you swim, do you guys swim together? When you're inside the pool, is she on her phone?
No, we never been swimming. Just no swimming, but she only leaves her phone when she goes to go out and come back.
She only leaves her phone at home.
No, when she
So
takes a
when,
bath.
when,
she
when,
baths.
when
When
she
she
gets home,
takes
she
a
goes to
bath.
bath, she leaves it and come back.
Okay, so when there's water, she leaves her phone.
Yeah.
Maybe a beach holiday is needed,
She will never get inside the water.
She'll
Why?
be on the sand
She will be on the sand on the
on
phone.
her phone.
Yeah.
Why is she so bored?
I don't know. I've asked. I didn't get an answer. I've asked her, what is it? I'm the person who always asks to say, what is it that I'm doing wrong? What is it that I can do? You know? Sometimes you might be doing something wrong and you're not aware. And let me just take it back a little bit. When we started, I said to her, how about we sit down and then we share with each other what do you like, what you don't like, I shared with her to say, this is what I don't like, this is what I like, Then she said to me, no, I'm not going to do that because you guys, when someone tells you what they like, you pretend that you can do that, and after some time you leave it.
I Anonymous, you came to the right place. I have all the tools for you. I am just going to give you everything that you need, and I hope you're going to use them. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Trust in the Lord.
Okay.
Okay.
Stay on the line for us, Anonymous. Don't go anywhere. 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. We've got Anonymous on the line. Let's get a bit of a recap before we go back to Anonymous and also get the tools from Somizi. I hope you are all ready for that moment and the big reveal from Somizi. All right, so Anonymous, you still okay?
Yes, yeah.
All right, you're still here. I'm giving everyone a recap and then we'll continue. Okay, Anonymous? Anonymous has been with his partner for 3 years now and says he basically feels like the problem in their relationship is that his partner is always on her phone. She can't seem to get, off this phone and spends a lot of hours and time on it. He says he's had to lead to her or just not giving him much attention, telling her. and also just basically missing out on intimate moments between them, right? Because she's always on her phone. He's okay with her being on her phone, but feels like it's too much and doesn't know what to do about it. Anonymous, we good now?
Yes.
We good.
Good to go.
Okay. All right. I like that. I like that a lot.
How's the relationship with your family and her family and you? Have you guys met each other's families?
Yes, she met, I don't know if my parents just passed away. She met my brothers. I met some of his family members here.
Okay. All right. So, what is your big question then with regards to the situation?
My question is, what is it that she's doing on the phone that she can't even maybe invite me to join me?
Sorry, Puti, say that again.
My biggest question, what is it that she's doing on the phone that she can't even invite me to do it, maybe to do it with her or to, then at least I know, because the series thing, I said, why watching the series on your phone only for the
Okay.
65-inch TV where you can watch it?
Okay. All right. Let's get into it. Let's get into it, my brother. You sound like you're in a noisy place. Are you on the freeway?
No, I'm just apart somewhere. It's not a freeway.
Okay, please close the window.
Yeah, she's.
Okay.
All right. That's much better. Thank you. Okay, let's do this. There's a few factors here, right?
Yeah.
The first one, you come across as clingy, ne? And you might mean well, but to some people, and especially to someone who's not into you, you come across as clingy. You are needy. You always want to be with me. Tontoni. Basically, you only become clingy and needy most of the time to somebody who is not into you. I have a feeling she's lost interest in you.
Yes.
I have a feeling you're bored.
Definitely maybe.
Definitely maybe.
Yeah. It can be. There's a possibility.
A huge one, Puti. A huge one. I have a feeling we're bored. If someone can spend 8 hours on the phone when the lover is right next to them, action speaks louder than words. Uyamupora. So when maupora umuntu, ne?
Yeah.
Borekeka nawe.
No.
Borekeka means uti. It's like when someone blocks you, blockega. When someone umpora, borekeka puti, and remove yourself from the situation. Especially if you've said it over and over again, because sometimes we do things unintentionally. Like I could be on my phone and not realizing that I'm hurting someone next to me, and then if they say it and I care, I do something about it. You know, and I will make a personal example. I'm also like, because I stay alone, I'm always on my phone. So when I go out on a date, it becomes a habit. But I've improved on that because I realized how it makes the other person feel. I put my phone away and I make sure that the date ends without me touching my phone. And it's the most beautiful thing, because then it shows a level of respect and level of being present. Yabo? So, Puti, this person is not that into you anymore. Yeah, so do what you may with that situation, with that information.
Lord Somizi, I just want to quickly ask, do you think that you're doing very well career-wise, right, Anonymous?
Yes, I'm working, I'm well, so
Oh, lolo.
everything is well, yeah.
Uyakhatha Puti, Puti uyakhatha.
No, I'm saying I'm doing well, yes.
All right. Does she get an allowance from you? Or I'm just asking.
Why?
I'm just asking.
Yeah, she do. She, like, I'll tell her, okay, I'll give her a chance of money to go to work, you know. And last time she was complaining about me not buying presents. I do buy presents, you know. I go to the store, I buy a present, I bring present. Whatever she asks me to do, I'm trying by all means to do it.
Why is that important, Kutu?
Just thinking about security for her, you know.
Why?
Like what she's getting out of the relationship. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So because it can come across as if he has to buy his way for to get attention.
It sounds like he does have to do that.
And if that's the case, then he's in a wrong relationship.
Maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, naked.
Anonymous.
Yes, sir.
All right again, eh? Yabona, you broke my heart when you said you are in a relationship with a person, and every day you are asking, "What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Pay attention to me. Why are you on TikTok?" My brother, that hurts. Right? Now, and it comes off like you are weak. Who said you're doing anything wrong? And now when you come off as, "What am I doing wrong?" every day, it's like you are weak, you have low self-esteem. Come on. That's the one way for your woman to run away from you. Women love confidence.
Yeah.
You gotta be confident. Kumele uzithembe ezindoda. Right?
Yes.
Uyazithemba.
I am.
Have any women ever cheated on you? Yes
Not
or no?
really. I don't know, but I don't say, but I've never broke up because of that. But
Has
I
anyone
don't know.
ever cheated on you? Because also, remember when you get into a new relationship, it's a clean slate. My brother, you even talk about you walk to the spaza with her. We am forced to go to the spaza hand in hand. Like, no, you can't be forcing a person to be next to you 24/7. Because you said, the other previous relationships, I was like this, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, but you were not in a relationship with her. So there, I agree with Usomizut. You are smothering her. Maybe you're actually the perfect guy, but now you're overcompensating for something. You didn't date her in the previous relationship, right? No. This is a brand new relationship. It's a clean slate. You get in there with confidence, and come on, I'm sure everybody will agree with me. 2026, we don't beg for love, my brother. Awuncengi muntu 2026. It's the beginning of the year. Are you listening?
I am.
Yes. Do you know, my brother, Snengi muntu? There's a song by Uma Figizolo. Ethi uyoncengwa. So Mizu uyayazi?
Umama.
So do
I love you.
Exactly, my brother. Look, you've got everything going for you. You seem like you have a great sense of humor. Your career-wise, you're going very well. But Ushai own goal by your lack of confidence. Ushai own goal by always saying to a person, "Oh, what am I doing wrong? It's Tandwa Saming." You know? No, my brother. It's Guba High. Because when you do that, it's as if you have left your testicles somewhere else. And you bring your testicles into a relationship. All right. Confidence. And if umuntu does not want you, a person doesn't want you. Uzowuncengwa uma wakhe. Done? Loud and clear. Are we good?
I'm good.
What are you gonna do? Sorry, Naked.
No problem.
What are you gonna do?
I think I'm very boring because maybe that person I'm bored.
Yeah, we are bored.
I'm too much. Maybe I'm too much.
Yo, thank you.
Jeez.
But at least, Anonymous, at least you've seen it and we can laugh about it. And it's okay.
Excuse.
But you're a good man.
Yeah.
And good men should never have to beg for love. Ungancengwa. All right. Uzoncengwa ubani?
Oh, mama.
There we go. Anonymous, you're going to leave it right here. Thank you so much for calling in, South Africa. It is your turn. Please, whatever advice you have for Anonymous, why don't you give us a call, 086-2160, or send through your voice notes to 060-552-7303. Umafiki Zolo, Uyongengwa, Metro FM, it's where you want to be. 47 minutes after 10 o'clock. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Give us a call, 086,000 2160. Let's head on over to you, Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning, Preacher. How are you?
Good, thanks in yourself, my king.
Good, thanks. I'd like to give Anonymous my 2 cents. Because I've been in a similar situation. And it was a 5-year relationship. And there is nothing as tormenting as being with someone who makes you feel less important. So my advice to Anonymous is he must give his partner an ultimatum. It's either you stop doing this or I start packing my bags and I'm leaving, because his partner was the one that initiated him moving in the house to begin with. That's number one. And number two, she's expecting gifts and all these gestures from Anonymous, of which he's meeting her expectations, and she's just not coming forth with what she needs to do in the relationship. So my advice to him is give her an ultimatum, give her 3 months, and then he must just pack his things and leave. Find someone else who will appreciate it, because action will always speak louder than words.
Is screen time addiction a real thing?
Yeah.
It is. It is 100%. I went through the very same thing. I mean, you can't after spending quality time and being intimate with your partner, and the first thing that they do is grab their phone. Like even the attraction, it goes away, it fades away.
Yo.
You can't wake up in the morning and the first thing that you see when you try and touch your partner is he or she is on the phone.
Yo,
That's a huge
my
turn-off.
brother. Yo, satrigarega, man, satrigarega. Trigger no metro. Satrigarega. Have you ever? There's nothing worse as being in a relationship, and you wake up and you look at your partner and say, "I wish I was that phone."
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, that's exactly how I felt.
Anonymous, thank you.
So
Sorry,
Somizi, hold on.
Yeah.
I need Somizi Kuzo.
Yeah.
So this phone addiction thing, it's not like they are addicted to, it's not like they're talking to anybody else on the
No.
other side, but it's just they're on TikTok, they're on Insta,
Yes.
they're on Pornhub.
Yes.
It's their
Bumble,
dopamine, naked. It's the rush that they get.
And I should be the rush that you get.
that dopamine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know? Eish, yo guys.
Hi.
Yeah, no?
All right, you're wishing you were the phone. Yo, man. Okay. Let's head on over to our next caller. Tembiso in Pretoria. Good morning.
Hello, Ninjani.
Ivukile minjani?
Ngikhona ngikhohle ukuthi nami anonymous manje ngiyazi ngifane nabanye. I'm a first time caller anyway. Mina ngathi ku-anonymous zitholele eyakho i-TikTok nawe mara ephilako ke manje ukameli azithola ephilako manje nawe ube happy ngesayithini yena angisakhona la azokuthi kunjani ukuba happy but kungasiwe reason yokuthi abe happy.
Yeah.
Angazi uyangizwa nanye
Awuzwile loud and clear.
Yebo.
Yebo.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your call. We got a comment here coming through saying, Anonymous, look at it this way. This is from Judith. At least we gave you 1 hour today from Ask a Man segment. Judith is saying, at least we gave you an hour today from Ask a Man. Look at it that way. And then another one here from Cedric saying, first caller, really, really agree with you. This is just _ TP saying, state your dominance and masculinity. Anonymous, # Ask a Man. I'll leave it there.
Yeah, be a real man about it. Switch off the Wi-Fi.
Data, bruh. Data.
Yo, naked. It's a bad addiction, eh? It's really a bad addiction. And they're not even looking at Pornhub. They are just
scrolling,
watching Somizi on TikTok,
scrolling, and checking their posts, how many likes they've got, and then.
How do you tell a person though that they have an addiction problem? Because it is an addiction problem.
I don't think the addiction is big enough for you to ignore somebody that you love.
So the addiction is not big enough. Okay?
No, it's not. Slow foot. It's not because you use the phone to ignore things that you need to do in a relationship because you are no longer there. But you don't have the guts to say, I'm no longer there. So you hope with this person, it's either they're going to walk away or they're going to ask you if they should stay or not. But you are not the one who's going to tell them, phone. So, and that's why I'm saying, even this guy, there's a caller that said he must go get his own live TikTok. It's pointless because you're going to get your live TikTok and then come back home. Your feelings are still at home. So you're still going to be hurt at home.
Yeah, because you are not wanted by the person that you want. So
Yes,
you
exactly.
always have that void.
Exactly. So just leave.
But what would happen if her phone had to die, Nji?
Let me tell you.
Just die.
Let me
battery off.
Yo, my guy, you have no idea, guys. You have no idea. Let me tell you, these people, the thought of being on a flight from here to Durban 45 minutes. Yo.
No way. So
I'm telling you,
No
it's
way.
it's like it's an addiction, Gamampela, because you are missing that fix for 45 minutes. The minute it catches the signal, even if it hasn't landed, it's still up there. The minute it goes through, they jump.
Sure.
They go, yo, now I
Sure.
can breathe. And then they go. It's a bad addiction.
Travel Bella, will we get to use our phones?
No, we will. We have Wi-Fi. But trust me, there are areas where there's no Wi-Fi. They are going to leave their partners in the room and go sit where there's Wi-Fi and come back in the room at 3 a.m.
No way.
I'm-
Guys.
yo,
Is
guys,
it that
That's
bad?
It is-
bad, man.
Anyone who can attest, tell me. It is
That's
bad. It's bad even when they are your friends.
Mm.
Do you know what? You can stand up and walk away. They will never notice. And leave and go home. I've done that to one person, and I left. They only texted 45 minutes later
Where
to
are
go.
you, Som?
How? Where are you?
Shondo, mara.
Axindone.
So what advice would you give to people in relationships? I know that look, we in the entertainment industry, sometimes our offices are our phones.
Yeah.
Right? But I have this thing where the moment I get into my driveway, I literally forget about my phone.
Yeah.
And I have office hours.
Yeah.
Like from 4:30, you might not get me until 8 o'clock the
Yeah.
next morning, just so that I can, pay attention to myself, because also we need to, everybody needs to like detox from the day.
Yeah.
Pay attention to the partners, pay attention to the kids at home, be there, not just in the physical, but be there holistically. Would you be able to leave your phone in the car for those 12 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's setting boundaries. It's being sensitive towards other people's feelings and other people's time and other people's presence. So when I'm alone, I owe it to no one. I do it when I'm alone.
When you're alone,
because
yeah.
that's the only way as well to not feel bored and alone and lonely and stuff. But when I'm with someone, it's a conscious decision. It's an intentional decision. I am going to be sensitive towards his feelings. And also, whether our office as entertainers can be at midnight and don't boundaries and limits. I don't answer calls before 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Don't call me before 9 o'clock. Don't text me. If you text me before 9 o'clock, it's fine, but you're not going to get your response before 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Boundaries and limits.
Yeah, I said something to a friend last week and they didn't believe it. I was out with them for lunch and I said to them, remember, I've got family at home. I've got my woman at home. I've got my kids at home. Do you understand how much I love you as a friend to be here with you? I don't need to be here. I'm here because I love you and you mean the world to me. So guys, if anybody makes time to be with you, remember they could have been anywhere else in the world, but they're here with you to spend time with you. Cherish that time.
Amen.
Because also tomorrow is not promised.
Yes.
It is promised to me. That's a travel bell.
Lord, so easy.
A quick one.
Yeah.
Let me tell you what I did on Sunday. I was on a date
Futhi.
at a restaurant. Every day, it's a date. At a restaurant. And then I saw this couple, also a gay couple.
Okay.
They walked in together. They greeted sharp. They sat next to us. The minute after they finished placing their orders, they were both on their phones facing down, guys. And
It's
they were
like
facing-
that, Som. It's like that.
I stood up. I went to the table. I took their phones and put them in the middle. I said, do what you came here for. And then I left. Trust me, 30 minutes later, they were laughing with each other. They never touched their phones. You see, Ask a Man is everywhere.
You just wanted a foursome.
Yes.
But I went to a restaurant in Parkhurst where you should put your phones in a basket and not use it. Unlike places like that where your phone is put in a safe
Nice.
and you don't use your phones, you don't touch it. Out in Parkhurst.
Okay.
Great stuff.
All right. Hey, guys, on my phone.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, gents, thank you very much. And to you, Anonymous, wishing you all the best. Hope you got the advice you needed. Really do. Let's do it again tomorrow. Ask a Man, the Naked DJ, and Somizi.